Harbor Freight air pump on the Civic. Doesn't take long to do this tire because they're so small. Let's see if I can get it. Let's see what it's rating. It's about 30 PSI right now. It was like below 15. So this has only been going for 5 minutes, maybe at the most. So it doesn't take long to fill up this tire. I think a Navigator's tire, it seems to take 30 minutes to fill it up. It's a handy little pump to have in your trunk. 12 volt. Goes to the power port there, and hook it up, and you can get your tire filled with air pretty quickly. For $25 is what I think we can for it. Recommend it. I've had it for a couple years now, so it's been tested on multiple vehicles. It works. So here's a close-up of it. It's a little warm because I just got through using it on 2 tires. Pittsburgh, 12 volt, 100 P. Ow! It's really hot. 100 PSI, high volume air compressor. That's the piston right there. It's the working end of it. It's warm right now. Too hot to touch for very long. Piston goes up and down, compresses the air. Air comes out here. I had another one of these that broke. It broke because it spit this end of it out. This is threaded into this. It's threaded in here. And it stripped the threads and just boop, went flying right out. But other than that, this is the one that I got after that. The first one lasted about a year. This one's lasted about 2 years. And for emergencies on the road, this is fine. You don't want to use it as your primary air compressor for filling up tires all the time. But if you're in the car and you've got a low tire, this will get it up to snuff. At least get you to the tire repair place. And the other thing about it is that it's cheap. It only costs $25. So I recommend this. I've had it for a couple of years, so this is a kind of a long-term review of it. It's not something I bought yesterday and I'm like going on and on about how great it is. It is adequate. It is fine for what you would use it for, which is emergency use, filling up a tire that's low. Or that wonderful magical situation you get into where you have a flat tire and you change it to the spare, and yeah, the spare is flat too. Ha ha, yeah, you gotta love that. Had that happen once, and I bought this air compressor right after that. Anyway, hope this helps. Bye.